Business at the Nyandarua County Assembly has been paralyzed and suspended once again after the Speaker of the Assembly failed to effect changes in the House leadership. The Speaker has been instructed by both the courts and the Jubilee Party Secretariat to acknowledge the new Majority Leader, Chief Whip and the deputies, but has consistently failed to heed to the orders.
Outside the Nyandarua County Assembly, a heavy presence of security personnel, and with good reason. For weeks now, the Assembly sessions have witnessed disruptions as a feud between the Speaker and the MCAs escalate. Today, MCAs threatening to attack the Speaker after he refused yet again to recognize Edinald King'ori as the Majority Leader, Wangari Methu as the Majority Chief Whip, Justus Gaita as the Deputy Majority Leader, and Geoffrey Ngaruya as the Deputy Chief Whip. It took the intervention of the sergeants at arms to whisk him to safety, away from the wrath of the MCAs. The Speaker has been locking heads with the members of the Assembly over the fate of the newly elected Majority Leader, Chief Whip and their deputies.
Second, yourself. Not just rely yourself, not just rely on the procedures, but confine yourself to the content of the communication. And what is the content? The content of the communication is the wish and the will of these members and the leaders that they have chose to read them.
The MCAs picked the 4 leaders at a Nakuru hotel early September.
I have not seen any other business anyway.
But the Speaker has held his ground, refusing to acknowledge and install the new leaders on grounds that the election was done illegally and without regard to due process. But the MCAs accuse him of simply frustrating their efforts at getting leaders of their choice.
Kumaanisha ya kwamba wale watu wako hapa wote hawajui sheria. Speaker ndiye anajua sheria peke yake. Kwa hivyo hatupeleka wenye anataka. Hatuwezi kubali mambo kama haya hata kidogo.
Disagreement between the Speaker and the MCAs drew the attention of the Jubilee Party Secretariat that stepped in to attempt to calm the troubled waters, endorsing the MCAs' choices. The MCAs also moved to court to get the Speaker to enforce the changes. Both the courts and the party's decision have been rejected by the Speaker. Today's fracas has left the Assembly's session suspended until the 6th of next month. Brenda Wanga, NTV.